Hello once again. On this tutorial I am going to show you how to change your Microsoft Word language. Follow me on this video. Once you are on your Microsoft, go to File, then click on Options, then search for Language and click on Add a Language. From this list, choose your language. I will choose, for example, I will choose the Arabic for me and click on Install, then click on OK. The Microsoft is checking for updates or to download the package of the new language you want to convert your Office. Once these updates are done, it will be closed automatically and then restart the Office with the new language you have chosen. This is the result. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe on our channel.